Jeez. You're going to feel like you're flying, but you're really gliding on the water.
Tabitha Lipkin is at the Patriot Jet Boat with more on a special deal.
Be our guest, and you're gonna be our guest on this. This bad boy is the Patriot Jet Boat. It is called the Patriot Jet Boat because of the 2 jet-propelled engines off the bat. And these things are gonna make sure you're going at least 50 miles per hour, zooming through San Diego Bay. And I'm joined right now by Tim. Tim, let's talk a little bit about the deal that we have going on for people who want to be your guest.
That's right. Thank you for being our guest today. So, yeah. Starting Memorial Day weekend, we're going to be running 7 days a week. So we felt like this was a great opportunity to come together and give such a great deal through you guys.
And the deal is normally it's $30 a ticket, but not today.
Not today. Yeah, $15, half off.
Half off. And here's what's cool. This sucker, it can hold how many people?
129 passengers.
And with that, not only are you going to go fast, but you've got a 30-minute ride. And you guys, starting the 7 days a week, are also going to go 6 times a day.
That's right. 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, and 4:30 every day.
Every day. And it has been described, if you will, like a roller coaster on the water.
That's right. Yeah, because of all the spins and turns and 360 degrees and the water splashing overboard.
Now, we earlier were on the boat with the Boys and Girls Club of the greater San Diego area. We got to do some donuts. We went really fast. Now, we didn't get quite as wet because we had our camera equipment, but people will get wet.
Most definitely, yeah. We give ponchos to everybody who wants them, just in case they don't want to get wet. But, of course, you still will get a little wet.
You do.
Yeah.
And what's also really exciting, this is something for all ages, starting at at least 40 inches.
That's right, yeah. 40 and up. We've got everybody from little kids all the way to grandparents and, friends and family. Of course, summer's here, so it's a great opportunity to have friends and relatives in town. And
Get
what
outside.
a better way to enjoy the city than on the water.
And finally, the last thing is you are strapped in, so safety is one priority, and everyone's out there having fun and being safe.
Correct. Everything's perfect and safe, and you're strapped in, nothing to worry about.
Safety first, fun second, but they're pretty much tied because you're going to have a great time. The Patriot Jet Boat, you can be on it. Again, you go to fox5sandiego.com. You click on the Be Our Guest tab, and you will be our guest on the Patriot Jet Boat for half off. I'll go ahead and throw it back to you guys.
Right on, Tabitha. And from this very camera, the Hilton San Diego Bayfront